on, everybody? Bones here. So, where have I been these past couple of weeks? Well, one, it's been raining pretty much consistently, which is good because the grass needed it, you know, because I was nothing but weeds, but now I've got some grass growing. But also, during that time frame, I finished off the fence. So I got that project out of the way. I don't need to spend any more money on that fence, so I can go do other things now. Going through some of my equipment that has been down for a while. I got to replace some of that, so that's going to be fun. So I got to use that money that I was using on the fence to now use it on the equipment. Let's see. I also had some test work done on my Crohn's. It showed that it was active, but when we did the scope, and anybody who's done scopes before, they know it's not fun, but got to do what you got to do. So did my pretty much yearly scope, showed really no activity. So why did the test say that my Crohn's was active pretty much? Don't know. But doc put me on a medication that I was on for 5 years in the past before Katrina, and that worked pretty well. So now I'm getting my energy back. I'm getting more alive, more alert. It helped me finish off that fence in record time. So, you know, we got that going. But, you know, other than that, I got nothing else really going on. So I'm hoping to get back to cooking soon. I could put some other stuff on the channel too. I'm thinking about that. But again, I don't wear a shirt, so when I'm doing it, so I don't think you'll want to watch, you know, a big guy with no shirt on. So you know, I don't know. But y'all let me know. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm hoping to be back soon. So that's what it is. All right, people. Check you later.